Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, dear learners. Today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 2, lesson 1 and 2 reading. I am telling again, our today's topic is chapter 2, lesson 1 and 2 reading. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 6 and homework number 6 also on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear students, in this regard, I request all of my students of class 6 to open this book, agriculture studies book, page number 10. Page number 10 of your agriculture studies book. Okay. Opening your book, page number 10, you will get it. Chapter 2, agricultural technology and equipments. Okay, let's see and look at both. So look at this chapter 2, agricultural technology and equipments. It is page number 10. Page number 10 here it will be. Here 11, then 12, then 13, 14. Okay, let's start. Agricultural technology is the combination of concept, method, equipments or material used for agricultural activities. Agriculture has different branches, and so branch-based technology is being invented. Some technologies have been used from ancient times. Again, some new technologies have been come replacing the technology which was available 10 years ago. Plough yoke is still used in Bangladesh, though there are ancient agricultural equipments. Although these are ancient agricultural equipments. Again, new and more high yielding varieties of different types of rice have occupied the place of mala, though it is a high yielding rice variety. Accordingly, technology will be invented and used. So look here, figure number from the very first figure, it is tractor, then charo, then plough, and last one is weaker. Dear learners, now we will go to our page number 11 to start from lesson 1. Concept and uses of agricultural technology. Lesson 1, concept of agricultural technology. World population is increasing. Population of Bangladesh is increasing more rapidly. Additional food is required for additional population. Again, other agricultural products are required more. Man is always thinking to fulfill this additional demand. As a result, man is inventing newer techniques or technology for cultivation by using knowledge in every age. So what is technology? Men ate meat by hunting animals and birds when they did not learn agricultural work. They ate fruits and roots collecting from forest. When they observed that by collecting fruits, roots and by hunting animals and birds, they could not satisfy their hunger. They fell into a problem. Suddenly they observed that seeds germinated. Look at the process. If fallen into the soil, plants grew and bore flowers and fruits. Therefore, the fruits could be eaten. Accordingly, they invented the first agricultural as agro-technology. As a result, they started crop production. After that, they learned the techniques of rearing wild animals in their homes. It is understood that the fundamental technology of agriculture is crop productions and livestock rearing. Next para. How did primitive men do crops production? For this, primitive men used pointed sticks to stir up the soil loose in a small place and produce crops. At that time, the pointed stick was the appropriate technology for land plowing. Then men's food demand could be fulfilled by plowing a small piece of land by stirring them up into a pointed stick. Such a technology was necessary by which more land could be plowed. Man started to think deeply. The result of thinking was the invention of wooden plough, iron plough, power tiller, tractor, etc. Now look here. So knowledge and techniques gained from research to be used to resolve agricultural problems are called agricultural technologies. The main characteristics of agricultural technologies are, look here, there are 5 points. Okay. Newness or novelty will be within this, make agricultural activities easy. There will be certainty of more production, less cost but more profit, and less time will be required. Now subject wise classification of agricultural technologies. Subject wise, Now agriculture is not only the matter of crop production, it is not only animal bird rearing. Agricultural development occurs with the associations of several productions areas. Agriculture has direct relationship with this subject. Agriculture consists of crop productions, animals and bird rearing, fish cultivation and afforestation. Means of agricultural development is the innovations of appropriate technology and proper use of this subject. Therefore, subject wise techniques and technology of agriculture have been identified below in the following chart. So, look here in agricultural subject here crop productions, some technologies are given. It is rearing of domestic animals, some technologies are given. Fish culture, some technologies are given, and afforestation. That means these are the main agriculture related activities, agriculture subject: crop production, rearing of domestic animals, fish culture and afforestation. You will read this at home. Now, dear learners, we will go to our lesson 2. So, look here, lesson 2, it is use of agricultural technologies, very important. Agricultural technologies have made agricultural activities easier. So, agriculture is now a profitable profession. Nowadays, farmers are plowing the land by mechanical plow instead of country plow. As a result, farmers can save money, time and labor. Food shortage is a great problem of Bangladesh. Farmers are trying to meet up the shortage by cultivating high yielding rice. Moreover, technologies have been developed for agricultural activities. Organic fertilizer, chemical fertilizer and green manure are being used for increasing land fertility. Different kinds of land and energy driven machines are used to sow, harvest and winnowing crops. Farmers can do all types of agriculture related works easily due to innovation of these technologies. Next para. Agricultural technologies have many uses. Farmers have been using agricultural technologies in every sector of agriculture from time immemorial or time being. Agriculture technologies are being modernized day by day. Nowadays, most of the farmers are using power tiller, tractor instead of wooden country plow. Uses of some more agricultural technologies are mentioned below. Number 1, it is homestead tree plantation technology. So, look at the picture. Here we see homestead tree planting or tree plantation. Everybody plants trees around the homestead, but many of them don't know about the technology of which plants are to be planted in what place in the homestead. Several rules are to be maintained for homestead tree plantation. Sufficient light and air are available when trees are planted at the homestead following these rules. We will know about this in details in chapter 6. Okay. Now, 2 number, maize cultivation in zero tillage. Maize can be cultivated without plowing. The land remains muddy after the recessions of rainwater. If maize seeds are sown in that land, good yield may be expected. As a result, money is earned and less labor is required. Our last segment, it is egg preservation in an earthen pot. So, look at the picture of egg preservations. Dear learners, if you open your book page number 14, you will get this picture. It is egg preservations in an earthen pot. Generally, eggs do not remain good for more than 5 to 10 days, but making a holes in the floor of a house, eggs may be kept by a placing or a pot in that hole. Charcoal is kept around the earthen pot. So, look at the picture here, charcoal. So, look at around the earthen pot, charcoal is given or charcoal are given, and eggs are kept for cool by putting water, and eggs remain good for 20 to 25 days. These are the lessons. Learners, look at the end of our book. It is our last segment. This is homework number 6. Okay, and lecture number 6 also. After reading lesson 2, chapter number 2, lesson 1 and 2, you will prepare only 5 MCQs. Okay, after reading chapter 2, lesson 1 and 2, you will prepare only 5 MCQs. Dear students, I hope that you have understood chapter 2, lesson 1 and 2. Please do your homework properly, and before doing your homework properly, you need to read lesson 1 and 2 properly. Finally, submit your homework. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.